Hi guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can sell digital products on eBay. Now this is a very good business to start if you have digital products and you have the permission to sell these digital products. Now and also in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a lot of mistakes that you should avoid so that you don't get suspended, okay? Because this is a very strict thing with eBay, like selling digital products. Not a lot of people know how to sell digital products. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the correct way on how you can sell digital products. Now let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do, guys, is to click here on sell, okay? In the top right here you'll be able to see here sell, okay? So what you guys need to do after you click on sell, click on create, okay? I'm going to go back. Yeah, click on create here, okay? Create a listing. Now it says here start the listing with item info. Now you just need to enter here the title of your digital product. By the way, if you are selling a digital product in USB or CD, for example, it's different from selling a digital product that you can send to the customer via email, or you can send it through eBay messages. Now I'm going to be showing you both how both work, okay? So yeah, let's come up with a title here. I'm going to add this title. Okay guys, so after you add here the title, you want to click on search and it will take you guys here. If you have if someone is selling the exact same digital product, you will be able to see it here. Now in my case, I'm just going to click here on continue without much, and I'm going to select here brand new. Of course you have to select the correct. If you have a brand new digital product, click on brand new, then click here. Now after guys you are here, then what a lot of people don't know is if you are selling a digital product that you can send to the customer via eBay messages or their email directly, you need to select here where it says item category. You want to select everything else, okay? That's the category you need to select if you are selling, like I said, if you are selling a digital product that you can send via email or eBay messages. Now as you can see, the category should be everything else, okay? And after that you want to select here, I'm going to search for it here, okay? You want to select here information products, and you want to select here other information products, okay? So after that you want to click on done. Now if you are selling, by the way, if you are selling this through USB, so you have the physical USB that you can send and there is like a digital file in it, then you don't need to do everything else category. You just need to select the right category that fits your digital product, okay? So after that guys, you want to scroll down, and of course you have to edit here the description, and you want to add here the buy it now, but here the format, okay? Make sure you select here buy it now if you are selling a product, a digital product inside CD or USB that you can send. It's a physical thing and there is a digital file in it, then you want to select buy it now. But if you are sending it through eBay messages or email, then you want to select here classified ad, okay? So guys, after you select here classified ad, you want to select here advertised price, which is in my case it's going to be $40 because I'm gonna send it through eBay messages, or I'm going to send this file through email, okay? So after you select it guys, make sure, by the way, if you are selling this product, okay, and you selected classified ad, which is you are going to send it through email or eBay messages, each listing there will be a fee of around like $10, as you can see, okay? Now if you are selling it in USB or CD, the fee is the same as selling a physical product, because at the end of the day you are sending like a physical thing, but inside it there is a digital file. Now if you are selling, like I said, something that you can send through email or eBay messages, there will be a fee of which is like $9.95. After that, you want to click on list it. Okay, so that this is exactly the correct way, guys, to sell digital product. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to everyone. Now, by the way, guys, I have I offer a service that will help you start dropshipping. Basically, I will do everything for you. So all you need to do, guys, is watch the sales notifications. There is no digital product, it's a dropshipping business. Okay, so this is my own Instagram. If you want to start this business, as you can see, just hit me with a message, and I will explain to you exactly how the business works. Okay, so yeah, see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a good day. Drop a like and see you.